Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how you can make low ticket, high ticket commissions and monthly reoccurring commissions with the 72-hour challenge, freedom breakthrough and funnel freedom affiliate program. Now we recently made some changes to our affiliate program. So I'm going to walk you through all the changes. And if you have any questions as I go through some of these changes, then just let me know down below in the comments. But I'm really excited because when I set out to build this affiliate program, I had been in affiliate marketing for a few years now. I had seen some of the best affiliate programs come and go. And I was just like, I want to create something where somebody can send their traffic and then everything is taken care of, right? So what I mean by that is not only the commissions, right, are being paid out, your customers are being taken care of, they're getting the proper support, but I wanted to create something that's going to allow you to build not only a high ticket business, but also a monthly reoccurring business, because this is the most powerful thing in your business as an affiliate, right? We all love the high ticket commissions, but if you don't have something reoccurring, we don't have that predictability. And so I really want to excite you and let you know some of the changes that we've made. Some of them are pretty big and some of them you may know already. And I just want to reiterate it because there's a lot of new people that have joined our affiliate program. We have over 30,000 affiliates inside our 72-hour challenge affiliate program. Okay. So I'm going to go through this document and I'm going to go through the basics first. And then I have a big change that most of you are probably going to have to change. It's not a huge deal. You'll see how easy we made it for you guys. The transition is going to be very seamless. Okay. For those who are already gone through my process, you'll see this big change. Okay. So I'm going to share this document. I'm going to go through this. And if you have any questions, just drop them down below in the comments. Now, this document, we're going through the 72-hour challenge and funnel freedom affiliate program. Okay. I'm going to go through this very thoroughly and detailed because I'm going to create this like if someone was a complete beginner, if they've never heard of our program. Okay. So this is going to be the training manual on how to get everything started. Okay. So first things first, right? How to even sign up for the program. Now, most of you probably already signed up, but if you haven't, you're going to go to this document here, and this is how you sign up for the 72-hour challenge and freedom breakthrough program. Okay, and I'll explain the two different products as well if you're not sure how those work. Okay, when you go ahead and sign up, it's going to look something like this. You'll have a dashboard with your referrals. So this just means how many leads you sent our way. So this is when someone enters an email, they become a lead or a referral. Okay. This is how many clicks, right? So, you're creating Instagram videos and people are clicking on the affiliate links. These are the clicks that are then recorded. Okay. And customers, whenever someone actually takes out their credit card and buys, they become a customer. And then unpaid earnings, this is how much we owe you once you start getting commissions. Okay. We do pay 40% commissions across the board now, which is really, really cool. Okay. So that's how you sign up for it. If you want to just promote the 72-hour challenge, that's going to be this link right here. Okay. This is the 72-hour challenge link page. Okay. So this right here is really cool because if you send someone to this page, we have this whole system set up to, try to convert these leads, try to get them to buy the products, right? This is essentially a $9 product that people will then go ahead and buy, right? And we've built this amazing page with tons of testimonials and lots of cool things, right? So again, when someone enters their info here, they become a referral, okay? And these are then hard-coded to you, okay? This is really important to understand. This is then hard-coded to you. So if someone just enters an email, they're hard-coded for life, okay? Now, the reason I say that is this is really cool, okay? So let's just say somebody, they go to the 72-hour challenge, this page right here, they enter their info, but they don't buy. If they buy either on one of my email sequences or even if they click on one of my ads, you're still going to get this sale, which is really, really cool. So I'm running tens of thousands of dollars a month in ads. You guys are going to be able to tap into that. Okay. So if someone becomes a referral, you will get all those sales because they're hard coded to you. Super, super powerful. And that's something that I've never seen another affiliate program do something like that, where they're paying you on the ads as well. That's one thing there is I want you to understand. Okay. So that's the 72-hour challenge. The next part of this is the software component. Okay. So I want you to look at these a little bit differently, right? So this is like your high ticket commissions, high ticket and your low ticket. And then Funnel Freedom, this is a different program here. This is your monthly reoccurring revenue, okay? Which is, in my opinion, my favorite part of an affiliate program. I love high ticket, but monthly reoccurring is awesome because that's monthly commissions I'm gonna get for life, essentially, right? So to sign up for the Funnel Freedom affiliate program, you wanna go ahead and go sign up here, and you'll notice it's very similar. It looks pretty much the same. It is a different program though, so you will have to sign up for both, and you can see there it is, okay? Now, people always ask me this question: how do I promote Funnel Freedom if I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge? The answer is you don't. You don't have to promote Funnel Freedom. As a matter of fact, I actually don't recommend that you promote Funnel Freedom unless you really know what you're doing. I don't even promote Funnel Freedom, okay? What I do, and this is what's really, really cool, okay? When someone joins the 72-hour challenge, we teach them why they need to build an email list. We teach them why they need this software, okay? So you got to understand how this works, okay? So when somebody joins this challenge, they get access to, I'll show you right here, this right here, okay? So this is the $9 challenge, and this is why it's so powerful, okay? So when someone goes and you'll see day number 2, and they go watch the setup video on how this all works, you'll notice that there's a link to get Funnel Freedom, okay? Now, here's the crazy thing, okay? You actually get commission for this as well automatically without having to do anything. The only thing you have to do is you just have to sign up for these 2 programs, okay? Just as an affiliate. If you're not signed up for the 2 programs, they're not gonna talk to each other. So basically, if you send a referral to this program, it's automatically gonna be added to here, okay? Meaning, let's just say I added a new referral here. This would say $397, and this would automatically talk to Funnel Freedom affiliate program, and this would show $115. And when someone purchases Funnel Freedom now, you're also going to get that sale, okay? So essentially, if you want to promote all of these things in one, the best thing to do is just get people to the 72-hour challenge. Now, on top of that, okay, and this is where it gets really exciting. So I explained this right here, how you get both leads hard-coded automatically. The exciting thing as well is you can get multiple commissions and multiple upsells, okay? So this is kind of what the challenge looks like now. If you send someone to buy this $9 product, they're going to spend $9, and then we have a $27 order bump, a $29 order bump. We have a $97 upsell, $197, and $397, okay? This is all within the 72-hour challenge funnel. And then you get 40% on all of that. If they were to buy every single one of those products, you get 40% on everything as the Funnel Freedom as well. Now, here's where you make the high ticket commission, okay? On the back end of the 72-hour challenge, we have our main core program, which is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. Now, the cool thing is we actually go and sell that for you to your leads. And the way we do that is we have business advisors, okay? So the way it works is when someone gets access to the 72-hour challenge, day 3 is actually locked. Okay, as you can see right here. And the only way that they can get access to day 3, they have to go and schedule a call with an advisor. They have to go book a call. Once they do that, day 3 is then unlocked. Okay, so let me show you what this looks like now. And there it is. Okay, so day 3 is then unlocked. And then if you go inside of here, right here, they can join Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. Also, our advisors will go in and show them the offer and everything like that. Okay, so if I go click inside of here, you'll see, $2,000 program, and the entire offer is kind of just laid out as you can see right here. Okay, that's the cool thing is you get commissions on all of that, guys. It's a full-blown system that allows you to make commissions on the entire process, okay? So there's nothing like this, okay? And that's why I'm really excited to kind of show you like what we've been doing and how we've been building this, okay? Now, here's the big change that we just built in. I'm really excited about this one. What we did, we now have an automated webinar for Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, meaning we have a webinar that it's essentially a 90-minute presentation that gets people to purchase Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, right? It's another way to get people to buy the $2,000 program, okay? Now, the next question I get is like, well, should I promote the 72-hour challenge or the webinar? And the answer is both. So this is the way it works. So if you have, you know, the 72-hour challenge, this leads to Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, okay, which is $2,000, right? Now that we have the webinar, this also leads to Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. Now, let's just say you're promoting this challenge, you're building up an email list. Well, you can now send your leads to the webinar as well. And it's just a different angle, right? And you'll see if this is the challenge. Let's just say people don't buy the challenge for whatever reason, right? People don't buy the challenge. Well, you can go ahead and if you go down to these links here, you'll see here's the webinar for Freedom Breakthrough 3. So you can see, you can send people to this automated webinar and people can go sign up for this, you know, in the next 6 minutes, the next hour, the next 3 hours, right? It simulates a live webinar where I show them the power of my system, right? And you can see here, the title here is how anyone can clone or can use this unfair software to clone a 7-figure business from scratch in minutes. Works better than AI, okay? So this is really cool. We redid this entire webinar, and the big change for those who are past affiliates, we used to have this webinar on Digistore, okay? So now we move this to our own platform, okay? So it used to be like on Digistore, where now we own the platform, okay? Meaning you don't have to promote the Digistore one now, and everything's gonna be hard-coded to you, okay? Now, that being said, I know there's going to be some concerns for our previous students, right? The ones that were using Digistore. Let me explain what you need to do, okay? This is very simple. For those using Funnel Freedom, okay, this is a separate note. If you're using our software, you'll notice that this link now needs to change, okay? So it says Freedom Breakthrough Webinar. Right here, what you need to do is you're going to put the link. So this link, Webinar for Freedom Breakthrough 3, that now goes in that spot, okay? Whereas before, this was the Digistore link, okay? So you're gonna go over here, you're gonna copy this. Again, if you're using Funnel Freedom, which is my software, you're gonna add this link now here, as you can see, and then you just update that. If you're still using Digistore, it's still gonna work. We save those links, but I highly recommend that you use the new one just because everything tracks a lot better and we control that system, okay? So just want to let you know, if you don't ever change it, you're still going to get those commissions, but now we own all the platforms now. We don't have to deal with Digistore or any of that. So it's really cool because, you know, now everything goes through us and we can control everything, we can make changes as we need, okay? So this is very, very powerful. Someone asked, will I get a new email sequence with the webinar in my Funnel Freedom? So we are going to be adding more email swipes. So right now you'll notice if you go to givemefreedom.com/JV, this is where you get all the assets. So if you go over here to givemefreedom.com/JV, you scroll down to the bottom, you'll notice we have all the assets right here. Now we will be adding more things for the 72-hour challenge, for the webinar, and also for Funnel Freedom. Okay. So we're going to be adding a lot more assets for you guys. Okay. So this is going to be really, really exciting. I wanted to mention one more thing here for Funnel Freedom. You're going to get 40% monthly reoccurring on all paid subscription. That could be anywhere from $97 a month or $970 per year. Okay. Some people will go and pay for the whole year. You know, you get 40% commissions off that. Let me know if there's any questions though on how this works. I would love your feedback. We're always trying to make this better for you guys. I really want to make this the best in the world for that. Okay. So I'm going to do some questions here. Someone asked, if someone signs up for the 72-hour challenge, are they added to our Funnel Freedom contact/email sequence, or is that just for the free course? Okay, so this is a whole different question, guys. So this is not pertaining to the affiliate program, okay? So this is a different type of question. This customer is actually using our software. But to answer your question, no, not necessarily. They have to go through your funnel to be added to your sequence, okay? Those are your leads. I don't touch those leads unless they buy my products, okay? So you got to understand there's your business that you own and that's your asset, that's your email list. They don't become my customers until they buy. So that's why I always say, I mean, if you've gone through any of my programs, make sure you're building your email list and all that good stuff. So that should be good. How do I find my new affiliate link for the webinar? Again, great question. Yeah. So just go to right here. This is the back office. So affiliates.jonathanmontoyalive.com. Okay. So affiliates.jonathanmontoyalive.com. That'll lead you to this page here. This is the back office, right? So if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see now we have the webinar page for you. So you can go through the webinar yourself. You can see what we've done. It's actually really, really cool. And I think you're really gonna like it, okay? Are we allowed to advertise everywhere or just US? Yes, for the most part, you can advertise worldwide. We've had some issues with some countries, but we're, you know, for the most part, you can advertise worldwide. So that's a great question, okay? So it's no longer possible to offer free course, or how does that tie into? No. You can absolutely promote the free course. Again, this is just talking about the affiliate program. I'm not talking about, you know, the lead magnet. This is not a training on that. This is just the changes for the affiliate program. I'm not even talking about like how to properly build the email list. That's different. I still, you know, recommend you build your own list, but this training, this video is just pertaining to the affiliate changes, okay? So everything that we've taught before, it's all the same, okay? So if we have funnel freedom, do we still promote the free mini course to get people into the 72-hour challenge? Yeah, I would, because if you're promoting the 72-hour challenge, just the challenge, you're not building your own email list, right? When you're doing your free mini course, you're building the list that gets people to the challenge, okay? Again, this is not a training on how to properly promote it. This was just a quick video to update you on all the affiliate changes, okay? Really excited. Yeah, we're adding a lot of cool things, guys, and you know, it's something we've been working on, and we're running lots of ads. Like, I try to convert your leads as much as possible, right? You send any type of clicks or leads, we're gonna be running ads to them and emails and text messages, because we want to help you convert, and that's the goal, okay? So any leads that come our way, we're gonna nurture them. We're gonna provide tons of value. We really want to help you guys grow your business, and that's by, you know, helping your customers and leads find the best solution for them. Okay. Well, I think that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed those updates. I'm really, really excited about this, especially with the webinar, because now you guys can start sending to the webinar as well, right? Like, that's super, super powerful. You can start getting people through the automated webinar, and that goes straight to the $2,000 course. So, I mean, if you're an affiliate, that you're going to get 40% of that. Okay. So again, there's two different ways. So you can send people to the challenge or to the webinar, or both, right? And that's all in your email sequence. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll talk to you on the next one, and God bless.